A survey by the Judicial Training Institute released yesterday indicates that 118 electoral petitions have so far been filed at the High Court, with 107 of these parliamentary and 11 from local government. During the 2021-2026 electoral cycle, 104 parliamentary election petitions were filed across the country compared to 107 in the current cycle. Speaking at the closure of the training of justices of the High Court, retired Justice Eldad Mwangusya highlighted election disparities that have continued to happen at the eye of the Electoral Commission.
And I remembered during the presidential petition of 2016, that is the time when the chairman of the Electoral Commission tried to explain why, by the time the Kampala people received materials, some areas had finished voting. And those areas which had finished voting, I think we are 100% voter turnout, 100%. Here, and they finished at 11. They signed their forms at 11. By that time, the Kampala Wakiso people had not received their materials.
Among the persistent polling irregularities are the failure by the Electoral Commission's biometric systems to function effectively on polling day in various districts, which led to numerous voting and vote tallying malpractices.
Now, one question which the chairman tried to explain, he said, we asked, he says, can you, for example, trace these votes from a polling station in Wakiso, even Umbarara, to your Tare center? He said no, that they did not have the software for doing that because the software was expensive. Now, I thought at least now we have made some step. Can we improve on this one, 2016, and maybe get that software so that 2021, 2026, we have. Because if those machines are working, like in Ghana, because we studied the cases in Ghana, there would be not even a single stuffed ballot paper. In 2016, we thought with this biometric, we thought it was shambolic, but come to 2026, it is even more shambolic than what it was in 2016. So why can't we work on that aspect?
He suggested that, if possible, declaration forms from all polling centers should be provided to provide evidence and also avail timely transparency so as to settle the matters on time.
So why don't we get those DRA forms and do mathematics? You'd find out if except if somebody like the one we had in the presidential petition, unless somebody comes up with the DRA form and says, the DRA form shows 100 people, but according to the register, they are supposed to be 70. So where has the 30 gone? I mean, where have the 30 come from? But if you don't have, and if you have such a case, you determine it.
Another election disparity highlighted by retired Justice Mwangusya is the delay shown by judges on giving their judgments on cases, a matter that increases case backlog.
I've addressed this issue of collegiality before. Now, how long should it take? And somebody, by the way, somebody generates a judgment, saturates it. How long should it take? And others respond immediately. Others take months. For me, what I used to do, if I received a ready judgment, I would put aside mine. Even if I'm in the middle of generating one, I know this is ready. So I put my comment on this one, the one which has been saturated to me.
The day to training, which closed today, comes at a time when the Court of Appeal prepares to handle what is expected to be a significant number of appeals from candidates dissatisfied with High Court decisions. Under the law, the Court of Appeal is the final arbiter of parliamentary and local government election disputes. Maria Jacinta Kanyange, NTV.